This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is Art Attack. Hello and welcome to Art Attack, the big art show that uses a lot of paper. Look at all this scrap I've collected. Well, don't throw it away. Use it, I say. Now, let's see what we've got here. Yes, that's good. That's good. And that is perfect. Come and have a look at this. Now, you need a piece of scrap paper big enough to screw up into a ball in the palm of your hand. I think black paper works best for this. And there it is, a fantastic scrap paper ball. No, I'm only kidding. Put that to one side. Then you need a piece of paper that's roughly 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres. Doesn't have to be perfect, though. Screw it up. Doesn't matter if it tears a bit. All adds to the effect. And there it is, or whatever you want to call it, really. Put it to one side. Then you need some PVA glue. Now, it's the squidgy bottle type of glue, the school glue, and you dip your whatever it's called into the glue. And you get the ball that you made, and you notice in the ball here are loads of cracks where you've screwed it together. Well, you just insert this, whatever you want to call it, into the ball, bend it down a little bit, and then take another one, dip that into the PVA glue. It has to be PVA glue, you'll see why in a minute. And put that into the crack. And you can do as many of these as you like, but I find 6 works best. And when you've done 6, put it to one side. It will look something like that. Now we need some white scrap paper. Screw it up into a very tight ball. There it is, I'm pressing it together there with my fingers. And I've got another one there. And a piece of red will do nicely for what I want. I'm just going to cut it roughly into an oval shape. Again, it's not a perfect oval, but that'll do for what I want. Black felt tip pen, and just draw a dot on the edge. There, and again, another dot on that side. And then back to the good old PVA glue. I use this quite a lot. It's my favourite glue, this. Gives a real good finish. Then you just stick that onto the top. The original piece. Again in there. Creating, whatever you want to call it, really. And again this. And just slap it in there. In one of the cracks. And there it is. And then the sloppy bit. It wouldn't be Art Attack without a sloppy bit, would it? Loads of PVA glue all over the back. Go over it completely. Cover all these side bits down there. And even go over these bits that you've just done here. And let's face it, it looks a bit of a mess at the moment. But I promise, if you leave it to dry overnight, the next day, it will look something like this. Look at that. The PVA has gone hard, shiny, and rather shell-like. It could look like this, on the other hand, if you make some eyes, glitter around the side there, and some scrap paper teeth. Or if you use greaseproof or tracing paper, it could look something like that. Again, I've made glitter eyes, and a little tongue there. Just turn it around so you can see that. One piece of paper, I've curled it around a pencil. And when you're at that stage, just get some cotton, covered in glue at the moment, it's sticking everywhere. Put some sellotape onto it, attach it to the back, and then hang it up in your bedroom and give unwelcome visitors a terrifying scrap attack.
It's amazing, isn't it? Just with scrap paper, PVA glue and a packet of felt tips, you can make something that looks so incredibly lifelike. No! Take it away! I'm an arachnophobe!